Olgado. At ang date ngayon ay July 14, 2025. At ang verse na tatalakayin natin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa Psalms 139, chapter 7 to 10. Ano ang kahalagahan ng kasama natin ng Diyos o yung omnipresence. Ang omnipresence is the doctrine that God is present everywhere at all times with His whole being. He does not have size, boundaries, or spatial limitation like creatures do. This means that God is not partly here and partly there. He is fully present in all places, all the time. Yet, His presence is not always the same. He dwells in judgment, in hell, in sustaining power over creation, and in covenantal intimacy with His people. Though we cannot always perceive Him, He is never absent. He is near the brokenhearted and dwells richly with those who seek Him. Ayan. Dito nga sa Jeremiah 23, chapter 23 to 24, I am only a God nearby, declares the Lord, and not a God far away, who can hide in secret places so that I cannot see them, declares the Lord. Do not I fill heaven and earth, declares the Lord. Ako ba ay Diyos lamang sa malapit at hindi sa malayo, sabi ng Panginoon? Mapagtatago bang isang tao sa mga lihim na dako upang hindi ko siya makita, sabi ng Panginoon? Hindi ba pinupuno ko ang langit at lupa, sabi ng Panginoon? Ang unang teaching natin, una ay God is present in every place at all times. God's omnipresence is our daily comfort. God is our most intimate relationship. At para naman sa ating application, unay say no to Satan's temptations, seek God presence through quiet time, at ang panghuli, show your faith by being fearless. Ako ba ay Diyos lamang sa malapit at hindi sa malayo, sabi ng Panginoon. Makapagtatago ba ang isang tao sa mga lihim na dako upang hindi ko siya makita, sabi ng Panginoon? Hindi ba pinupuno ko ang langit at ang lupa, sabi ng Panginoon? Let your presence be my peace in chaos, my strength in weakness, and my joy in trials. May I never run from you, but run to you. Knowing you are already there, fill my heart with awe and gratitude for your faithful presence in my life.